Setco, we have been always a very focused company. Our only objective over here is to ensure that we are the lion's share of clutch market in India, and clutches are a growing market for us because in the commercial vehicle sector, EVs are not coming any soon, because I think the clutches in the hydrogen engine or the automatic vehicles also, we have clutches over there. So we are very happy to be here, showcasing what we have with our customers, and we are a totally integrated company. So the press shop, the machine shop, the castings, everything is actually inside Setco. So we are in control of every component, every quality that we have. Of course, over and above that, our levers of growth are exports because we have our subsidiaries across the world, and I think those markets are picking up very well. Our engineering team has come up with Setomatic, which is a new addition to our family where we talk about changing gears without engaging the clutch pedal, and that is very, very useful for our truck drivers because the fatigue comes down, the clutch life goes up, and it's applicable across vehicles, not only trucks but also cars, SUVs, everywhere. So being here at Yashobhumi is the first part. We've never been here before. It's a wonderful venue. Everyone in the component industry is very happy to be here, and I think that along with the tractor range, the Setomatic range, the clutch range, we have our Setco allied products as well. We've now gone into giving our customers a total bouquet of products and services. So we've also launched the Setco app. So all the mechanics, all our drive rewards programs, everything is available to the mechanic on a digital platform so that we don't have a paper heavy economy over here and we go into a digital ecosystem. So I think we are evolving very quickly, and I think the team is doing a wonderful job. We have more than 100 distributors across India. We are catering to Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, VCV, Mahindra, Daimler. So I think we are taking a lot of strength from there, and all the teams have been coming over here. We are so happy to welcome them, show them what we are doing. In any case, we are nominated on all their new platforms. But it's important to just be here as part of the component family, and I think the show is going to be very useful. Once in 2 years, I think it's important to be here. So one of the very key things that we as Setco have been able to manage is we are not part of the CV cycle. We have a very good aftermarket business, a replacement market. So even if the CV cycle goes down, goods are going to go in the country, clutches are going to get burned, clutches are going to be changed. So we are not cyclical, and therefore our growth story is very different from the growth story of the entire MHCV cycle. We are looking at 20 to 30% CAGR year on year, and I think EBITDA performance even better than that year on year. We are augmenting our teams and we are embracing technology very quickly. So I think Setco has a great future roadmap. Q4 is the most exciting quarter for us, and we are very, very happy to be part of this journey. I think the most important thing is that we are here to stay. We have the best engineering over here. Our products are performing better than industry standard, and this is the strength. The product speaks for itself. Like Sachin Tendulkar, his batting speaks. Over here, our product speaks.